dumbbell 3-point row. Having some sort of bench, could be an incline bench or some sort of stable item that you can place a hand on. You want this item to be about hip height for your body. So giving yourself a hinge to get your butt back, knees are stacked over your heels, one arm forward. You can position yourself so that the shoulder is back and down, but you do have this arm as straight as possible and locked out. Grabbing that dumbbell, abs are nice and tight, spine is straight, pulling from the shoulder first, driving the elbow up to the sky, and then release. So everything here is nice and stable. We have 3 points of support, which is this strong arm, both feet with a straight spine, which gives you the leverage to pull in this way. Big thing here is keeping your abs engaged, keeping your spine engaged as well, to really have a full base of support for our dumbbell single or 3-point row.